Journal dictation 80 words per minute. Ready, start. No comma. I never did, full stop. I never looked for trouble, full stop. I was always aghast at other children who thought nothing of it, full stop. They did what they wanted, comma, whether it was allowed or not, full stop. They did not care about rules and regulations, comma, results and consequences that would come from their actions, full stop. They thought it was worth the risk, comma, and maybe it added to the fun and sense of achievement, full stop. They may even have been surprised when they were caught, comma, as kids' activities are often done without much thinking ahead, comma, other than the short term goal that is being pursued, full stop. I was never tempered to join in, comma, and always preferred to put some distance between us, full stop. Once I had settled into this new type of learning, comma, the next stage was to actively look for trouble, full stop. The desire to repeat and increase the small successes is an incentive to put your mind to hunting down anything that will hold you back, full stop. Why wait until you get tripped up and ruin an assignment or fail a test, question mark. This was even more of an issue at that time, comma, as we had manual typewriters, comma, that instantly put the link on the paper with only the unhappy prospect of a retype if something was left out or the corrections got too messy, full stop. Learning and working on a real typewriter, comma, as opposed to entering text onto a forgiving computer screen, comma, does give you a keen sense of the necessity to get it right first time, full stop. It is very pleasant now and then to do a really easy piece of shorthand, comma, with all your favorite flowing outlines and wonderful time saving phrases that seem to almost write themselves, full stop. These are excellent for encouraging a swift and flowing manner of writing, comma, and instant satisfaction in the much higher speed you can get up to, comma, or just the pleasure of dashing it off without any compromise on accuracy, comma, neatness or legibility, full stop. Looking for shorthand trouble and neutralizing it with extra attention and practice is one of the ways to bring normal, ordinary, shorthand assignments a step closer to being as untroubled as those easy and undemanding passages and close.